My name is Roy and I'll be in the YLAC, third grade YLAC. So 15 minus 5 equals 10. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 15 minus what equals 10. I should mark them first. Okay. So as you can see on the first one, all three numbers are included. And then on the second one, the same numbers are included but in a different order. And 15 minus something equals 10. You could also do 15 minus 10, and because we should get the answer, which is 5 and 0. So the answer is 5. So 5. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 10 minus something equals 2. We could do 10 minus 2, which if you do that equals 8. 36 minus 30 equals 6. 30 plus 6 equals 36. Something plus 30 equals 36. You could do 36 minus 30, and if you do that, you equal 6. Okay, multiplication. 4, let's just do 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4 times 6, which that means you could do 4 plus 4 plus 4 6 times, or you could do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, and if you do that, you get 24. Okay, 6 times 2, that equals 6 plus 6, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 6 times, and 6 plus 6 is 12. 3 times 6, that equals, which basically means 3 plus 3 plus 3 6 times, or you could do 6 plus 6 plus 6, and if you do that, you get 18. Oops. 2 times 4, that basically means 4 plus 4, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and if you do that, you equal 8. Okay, addition. Okay. 65 plus 13, you do 65, 13, you add it together. Okay, 5 plus, you do right to left and top to bottom. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 6 plus 1 equals 7. When you add two numbers, it doesn't matter which order you put it in. Not the order. Which one goes on top and bottom, but when you subtract, you have to put it the top one. It has to be the greater number, and the smaller number has to be on the bottom. So this one is 78. Okay. 85 plus 35. Okay, 5 plus 5 equals 10. You can't put another 1 over here because that won't work. So you put it on here, and you just add 1 to that number. So 8 plus 3 equals 11, plus 1, which equals 12. So this one is 120. Okay. 415 plus 15. Oops. 15. 5 plus 5, 10. You put it over here. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. And if there's just a blank place, it's basically 0. So 430. Okay, word problems. Mark has 5 pet fish in his aquarium. He buys 6 more from the pet store, but forgets to feed 3 of them, causing them to die. How many fish does he have left in his aquarium? So so far he has 5, and says he bought 6, which we have to add then, which that is 11. But he forgets to feed 3 of them, which they die, so he loses 3 of them, which if you subtract it equals 8. So he has 8 fish left. Okay, Johnny shares his candy evenly with 23 friends at school. He has a total of 46 pieces of candy. If he gives out all his candy evenly to his friends, how many does each friend get? So in this situation, we have to divide because we should find out how many each friend gets. So it is 23 divided by 46. So 23 could go into 46. I mean, it can't go into 4, so you have to do on 46. So 23 times 2 is 60, 40, 46. And so it's going to be 2 over here, and 46, subtract it, and it goes, if you get a 0 over here, that means you're done. So let's erase this. Okay, so each friend gets 2 candy.